Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I want to give you guys an idea for another balloon column. In my last video, I showed you guys how to do a rainbow balloon column. And now in this video, I'm going to show you how to do a tall balloon column that has like starbursts sticking out of it, all right? So let's get into the tutorial, but before I get started, I do want to let you guys know I have another contract template available for you guys. And this one, guys, I am so excited to be able to share this with you. Lately, I've been getting clients who are just asking me for balloon decorations. And I realized that I need a contract that's specifically focused on balloons, right? So what I did was I researched and I created a contract that just covers balloon decorations. Guys, when I tell you there is so much good stuff in this contract, I am so excited to be able to offer it to you guys as a template. So I am running a flash sale. This new balloon decorating template is only $35 until next Wednesday, okay? So make sure you check the description of this video. I'm gonna put the link to it in there, all right? So let's get started. So let me walk you through what you're going to need to create this balloon column. The first thing that you're going to need is a balloon sizer. So I have my wooden one here that goes up to 10 inches. And then you're going to need your balloon pumps. So I have my electric pump here and my hand pump. And then what you're going to need is a floor lamp. So I got this floor lamp right from Target. It was only $10, okay? Then you're going to need a bunch of balloons, okay? So here's all of the balloons, well, the different types of balloons that we're going to be using. So this one right here, this bigger pink one, this is a 24-inch balloon. And this one, this blue one here, is a 17-inch. Now these three balloons right here, these are all 11-inch balloons. And then you're going to need 5-inch balloons as well. That's the small guys. These long balloons right here are 260 balloons. And then last but not least, these are starburst balloons. I'm not sure what color I'm going to use, so we'll see. But here's all of the materials that you're going to need to create this balloon column, okay? So let's start putting together the floor lamp. that I've tied the 260 around my 5-inch balloons, I'm going to add those to the bottom part of this balloon column. So I'm just taking that 260 and wrapping it around the purple balloon that's in the middle. And then I'm going to position my 5-inch balloons. And then I'm going to do the same thing with these pink 5-inch balloons, okay? Now, after you're done with the bottom, you're just going to do the same thing with the top of the balloon column, okay? So now I'm going to take my hand pump and I'm going to blow up some 260 balloons, okay? So I'm just going to put some air in it. And as you can see, I left a little bit at the end. I'm going to take a little bit of air out and then I'm going to tie the 260 in a knot, okay? Now I have 4 of these 260s. I have 2 white and then 2 purple. So I'm just going to blow these up. And then I'm going to tie 2 of these purple 260s together. All right, so just make sure you're tying it in a knot. And then I'm going to tie 2 of the white 260s together, okay? And then again, make sure that you're tying it in a knot. All right, guys, so we are almost done with this balloon column. I am just tying the 260 that I used to connect the topper balloon to the column. All right, so the last step is that you want to blow up your starburst balloons. So I'm just using 4 of them on the bottom and then 4 of them on the top. So blow them up and then tie them together. And now I'm using another 260 balloon to connect it to the balloon column, okay? So just tie the 260 balloon around the starburst balloon and then wrap that 260 balloon around the column, okay? And then when you're done, just tie the ends of the 260 together. And now you're going to see, I'm going to do the same thing with the top. All right, so I'm just tying that 260 like in a circle. I'm just tying the ends of the 260 together. And then I'm going to wrap that 260 around that purple balloon. Okay.